Hi and welcome to my channel. This kit inside that I used came from this website, and I don't recall even purchasing it, so it must have been a very long time ago. I can't tell if it's a roses or peonies, so I'm going to call it Floral. This cover, let's start with the charms. The charms, first of all, is like a little bird cage, a feather, a butterfly, and a flower. And I had this doily, and I decided just to sew it on this canvas material and make it a soft cover double. I had this pin, so I kind of layered some pretty stuff across there. Let's get into it. It's a beautiful kit. It has a lot of floral, and I backed every page with something, so most of it is double backed. I added some lace on this page. It's open on the bottom, so if you wanted to, you could put something up inside it, and to put in there to write on or whatever. So as you can see, I doubled over. This is like a canvas. Did I say canvas? This is a canvas. And I just doubled it over and I left the fluffies. I kind of like the fluffies. So inside, this is a left-sided little booklet here. Oops. Just a plain little booklet. I put this lady on here, which is a Tim Holtz lady. And just used a lot of different pages, calendar pages, things from Temu, again, floral, little thin page. I put this on there. This could be a belly band, so you can add something inside of it. A belly band is so you can put something in between there in case you don't know. A good writing page. This is some handmade paper. Lots of writing room, I think. Kind of mid-range, I guess. Not really a lot, not a little. And you certainly can write on the back of this with a marker, a little bit darker marker. Let me make sure I'm in frame. I added in some magazine pages, and that's a calendar from a teacher work calendar. Here's a little brochure, not brochure, a little booklet that I created. I'm always flipping pages. Have you noticed? I always flip things toward me. I think it's because of my arthritis in my hands. Whoops, wrong way. Oh well. And that slips under that little side pocket there. Some more handmade paper. I think this paper is beautiful. Here is a little tabbed page. More specialty paper. Little place to write there. Temu paper. I left this so it could be a bigger belly band, but it has a little, it'll also sit right there. Person could glue it here. This is for sale. If anybody's interested, just let me know. This little page here. See, I can't hold on to anything, y'all. What's the deal? I swear it's my arthritis in my hands. This is a little up tuck. So a little page there. Beautiful image on the inside. That's the first center of the first signature. This here, music pages and a little purdy there. Cute little paper clip. Let's just get flipping. Let's get flipping. So in here, what did I do? Oh, we have a little closure here with a little insert. You could also stick something else in there. I used pink ones since we were doing pink. And then again, a little tag on the side, and then it tucks right in there. I used some washi tape up there. This is that beautiful paper again. I think it just kind of adds a little touch to it. There's another little spot for writing. Magazine page again. This is a vintage ledger paper, calendar page. And then repeating the same things on the other side. In here, what do we got? Another closure with a couple little cute things inside. This I attached down. You could write on that if you would like. See, I can't hold on to it. I do use laser printing to do my pages with. Second signature, there's 2 signatures in here. This is a little, you know, I crimped it with the embossing folder and covered it with lace. I thought that that was pretty. And this opens up for a writing spot. Repeated some of the papers. This is just folded over just to be pretty for a little tuck spot in there. I added a piece of the washi paper that was included in the kit. And more purdies. There's the magazine page again. This is from Daphne's diary from this month. Here's a little writing space here. I pulled this out of a calendar as well. And again, another little tag. And I decided this was a little too much, so I decided to cover this side with this beautiful lace. I thought that was very pretty. It's very delicate. Some more of that washi that was included. I put in this, it's a vellum envelope. That's what it is. And I added this washi tape here and a piece of the washi that was included in the kit. Center of the second page, I folded this over and glued it down just to be pretty. And this has like a map on that side, but you could write on that side. Oops. And there's the back side of that. Kind of mutes it next to this, I think. And then there's this little pocket. Let's see which way we go. I just tied those together like that. I thought that was kind of different. I'm always looking for something different, you know. And I made my own little closure here that I will soon be able to get that down. Ha ha. There we go. A little bit of washi. Another little tuck spot. Another part of that page from the calendar. If you guys like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Share if you like friends to see it. And if you would subscribe to my channel, you'll get to see more if you push the bell and find out that there's more to be seen. I usually do woodland, but you know, occasionally I throw in a oddball here and there. Another calendar page. I thought it kind of went with it. Whoops. Added that little piece on there. And then the back cover. And I did handmade by me and JJ with Joy. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you like it, and I hope to see you again. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Have a great day.